Good morning everyone. So today is going to be a pretty short video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install a cabin air filter in Volvo S60s or V60s from 2010 to 2000, I believe, and 16. They should be the same. I got this thing laying around for quite a while now. I haven't installed it, so I just decided to make a video. I mean, it's not the easiest thing to do, so maybe, you know, it would help somebody out. So hope you guys stay tuned and get ready. So first things first, you'll need a T20 socket like that right there, Torx 20, to take off this cover right here underneath your glove box in the passenger side. There's a cover right there. There's like 3 or 4 screws. You just take that off, take the cover off, and then I'll show you guys the next step. All right, I guess it's 2 screws. So once you take those 2 screws off, there's going to be a connector there. Don't rip it out. Take the connector off, and then the cover just pulls out. So cabin air filter, the door is right there. So we're going to have to take off that small fuse box or electrical box. I believe it's a fuse box. So that one right there. So we're going to take that, let me see here. So we're going to take that cover off, I think, and then there's probably a screw there. So let me open it up and take a look. And so yeah, we're gonna have to get that one out of the way so we can open that door and take the filter out. All right, you guys, so to remove this box, there's no screws, there's nothing. So all you have to do is just on top of the box, this is the top of it, on this right here, there's like, you're gonna feel a tab. So you have to press on that tab as hard as you can with your finger and then just pull it towards you, and the top will come out. And on the bottom, there's just pretty much these legs. So once you get the top out, just pull it up and it pulls right out of pretty much from there. So now you have full access to that cover I showed you right there, down there. You see that in the back? There's that cover. We got to do that clip, and there's 3 clips. There's just press on them, and then the cover comes off. Okay, so you guys see that I got the cover off, and then those pins that I was talking about right there, you just press on them and it releases the cover, and then you just pull the filter out of there from there. All right, let's take a look at my filter. Look at that, how bad that looks. That is nasty. I don't think anybody ever changed this filter. That is disgusting. And this it is not as bad. And I turned it around, I was like, wow, that's not as bad. And I turned it around, I was like, oh damn, that is horrible. That's nasty. Wow, that's how much this filter, you know, filters your air when you turn your blower on, heat or AC. This is really important to change. So I would suggest changing it probably at least every 30,000 miles, if not every 10. But you know, that's, yeah. So now we're gonna get our new one. Our new one is a little bit different. So we're gonna put this one in, and the same exact way except in reverse order. So just put a filter in, put the cap on, put the electrical box on, and the cover. So it's pretty straightforward from here. And then one more note, actually, the filter, which way it goes in, it actually, I guess, doesn't matter which way it does. There's going to be an arrow points towards the back of the car. So when you put it into that slot right there, the arrow has to point towards the back of the car, just like that. So we got the filter in. I'm going to tell you guys, it's not the easiest thing to do, to fold it there, because it starts getting cut up on everything. You have to bend it. So yeah, you just kind of fold it as close as possible and just, you know, bend it and push it in. Once you push it in, it will stretch itself out. So yeah. So we got the electrical box back in. So you put the bottom of it in first and then just clip the top in. Got the, you know, the cover, the cabin air filter cover on and everything on. Folded the carpet back, and now we're just gonna put the cover back. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I'm gonna put this guy back, plug the light in, don't forget about that one, and then put the 2 screws in. Alright, so we got everything there, as you guys can see, the covers and everything, electrical box. So that's all done. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this helped somebody out. I mean, I just decided to make a video about it because, I mean, it's not the easiest thing to do. I know when I didn't know about cars, I kind of went on YouTube and tried to search up just to make my life easier and just to learn how to do it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date on the upgrades that I did to these cars and maintenance wise as well. So thank you guys for watching again. Have a great day.